Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the details of the Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher polishing kit, a must-have for anyone looking to give their car that showroom shine. Stick around because we'll tell you why this is the best car polish kit available. Let's start by taking a closer look at what's included in the Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher polishing kit. This kit comes in two options, a 7-item and a 16-item kit, both designed to cater to your specific car detailing needs. It even offers a standalone polisher option for those who may already have some of the accessories. Inside the 7-item kit, you'll find everything you need to get started, including polish, compound, and pads. But if you're looking for the full arsenal, the 16-item kit has you covered with additional accessories. The star of the show here is the Adams Swirl Killer 9mm DA Polisher Buffer. A powerful 1000W machine designed to make your car detailing process easier and more efficient. It promises swirl-free, scratch-free results, and it can tackle a variety of surfaces. Plus, it's lightweight and features a 16-foot cord for maximum convenience. Now, let's talk about what sets this car polisher apart from the rest. First and foremost, the Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher boasts a powerful 1000W engine, guaranteeing more power and torque on any surface. It's a game-changer when it comes to achieving a flawless finish. One thing that really stands out is the ergonomic and balanced design. It has concave rubber contact points that absorb vibration, making it easy to control. Plus, it's designed for comfort and easy storage. But that's not all. This versatile polisher can remove swirls, scratches, and defects, making it perfect for car detailing. You can even use it on carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. And it's not limited to cars. It can restore chrome, aluminum, and diamond plate metals as well. Now, let's talk about performance. The Adams Swirl Killer Pro offers 1000W and 6500 OPMs at maximum speed. Which means you're covering the maximum amount of surface area with its 9mm orbit, ensuring even and efficient results. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this polisher is designed to paint correct any vehicle size, delivering unmatched performance and years of paint correction. And here's the cherry on top. The Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher comes with a 110% satisfaction guarantee. Adams is dedicated to providing the best car cleaning products, and if you're not satisfied, they'll do everything to make it right. So, you're not just getting a top-tier product, you're also getting peace of mind. Before we wrap up, let's touch on some additional details. If you're into supporting small businesses, you'll be pleased to know that this product is from a small business brand. Show your support for the little guys. And if you want to take your detailing game to the next level, Adams offers various accessories and add-ons, like premium polisher pads and iron remover, which can complement your kit. In summary, the Adams 9mm dual-action car polisher polishing kit is undoubtedly the best car polish kit on the market today. With its powerful performance, ergonomic design, and versatility, it's a game-changer for anyone who loves to keep their vehicle looking its best. So, if you're ready to elevate your car detailing game, don't hesitate to check out this fantastic product. You can find it on Amazon.com. And we've provided the link in the description below. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the best products in the market. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode of Product Critique. Happy detailing!